guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new video for one ball of yarn, one scarf. This is a beautiful scarf here of a really nice wool that I will obviously show you guys a little more. It's 100 grams, 100 meters long, and maybe you remember it from one of my last videos. I did a very loose pattern here, something kind of bigger. It's a V pattern and made out of double crochets. And it's really, really quick to make. It's a nice length. It's about 1.60 meters or so. And everything's kind of stretchy and flexible for wearing. And how exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. So have fun. Alright guys, so let's get started. So this is the Yarn Art Olympia wool, but with eyes. It's 100 grams and it's 100 meters long, and I'm going to use this one whole ball of yarn for the scarf. It's 80% acrylic and 20% wool, and we have the 1410 as the color. And I'm looking for the size recommendation, and it's recommended for a size 8, but I'm going to use my size 9 actually here. The colors are super cute. We have kind of a main thread, and then around that we kind of have twisted around this black thread, the black gimp thread, and we kind of have blue, purple, white, yellow, orange, and then it kind of starts over. And I think the colors are actually really nice together. To get started, we will start here with some chain stitches. For this pattern, obviously it depends on how wide you want it. But for the base, I will take a multiple of 3, and then I will add 2 extras. 4, oops, okay, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 12 is a nice width here. And then we will add another 2. We will skip the first 3 here and then go back into the next one and add a double crochet, a chain stitch, and another double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so this is our first V. We have kind of the 2 legs of the V and then a little bit of a distance on top. We skip 2 on the bottom and then do it again. So double crochet, chain stitch, and another double crochet. Then we skip 2 again and do it all over. Okay, so 2 double crochets with a chain stitch in between. And then on the bottom, we always skip 2 and then go into the third one. And that's kind of why we have that structure of the base of 3. Okay, and with that, we have done this 4 times. So 3 times 4. And here on the outsides, we have the chain stitches. And here for the end of this row, we will add 1 more double crochet. And here you can see basically the structure of the pattern with the 4 V's and then the chain stitches in between. Then we will add 3 chain stitches for height, turn it all around. And here we will always go around the chain stitches in the middle of the V of the row before, and we will add more V's. So it's always 2 double crochets with a central chain stitch. I'm just getting a little more wool here. Okay. And then we will continue crocheting here. The size of the hook actually works really well. Double crochet, chain stitch, double crochet, and then again with the double crochet. So we always have that structure of 3. And here on the outside, another double crochet. That's just the end of the row. Okay, so every row starts with 3 chain stitches and will end with a double crochet. Okay, let's continue. 1, 2, 3 chain stitches, turn it around, and then we start again doing our pattern of double crochet, chain stitch, double crochet. Then again, and double crochet. Okay, we have 3 already. Here comes number 4. Double crochet. And here on the outside, again, the other double crochet, the last one for the row. And as you can see here, even with the few stitches, we have the, the base of 12 here. We have a really nice height and width already. And even after only 3 rows, we just have, a lot of height here already. Okay, 3 rows. And I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll give you an update a little later on. All right, so here is my update for you. And the light kind of changed maybe a little bit. It has gotten brighter. But this is what it looks like now. I'm going to count my rows here. 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 rows. It's super quick to do, a really nice width here as well. And obviously we have a lot more yarn to go. So I'll continue. All right, so here I am at the end of my scarf. We have a little bit of yarn left. I actually tried to do another row here, but it just wasn't enough. So I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, and then I can kind of pull it tight a little bit. I can leave about 5 to 10 centimeters here before I cut. And this is what the last row looks like. And this is the rest of the scarf. It's actually a really, really nice length, even with this just the one ball of yarn. And it's about 1.60 meters, 1.70 meters. It's really nice and stretchy. This is the beginning thread. And we obviously still have to hide that. But now if you kind of put it like on top of each other or kind of scrunch it up together, it's really nice and like tight too. But otherwise, obviously, this has a really wide hole pattern. And yeah, it's just a really loose V pattern. But I really hope that you guys like this video. If you did, then please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And then I will see you next time again here at DIY Ideas. Bye!